Click on the link below to get price. The TST Electric Bike for adults stands out with its impressive 1500W peak motor that delivers a powerful and exhilarating ride. One of the first things that catch your attention is the sleek design, combining modern aesthetics with practicality. The bike is well built, featuring a robust aluminum frame that ensures durability without adding excessive weight. This balance makes it easy to maneuver, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails. Performance is where this electric bike truly shines. The 1500W peak motor provides ample power for steep hills and challenging terrains, allowing riders to effortlessly conquer inclines that would typically require strenuous effort on a traditional bike. The 48V 15Ah lithium battery is another highlight, offering a significant range on a single charge. Riders can expect around 40 to 60 miles, depending on usage and terrain, which is ideal for both daily commutes and longer adventures. One of the standout features is the 3 riding modes: electric, assisted, and traditional pedaling. This versatility allows riders to choose how much effort they want to exert, making it suitable for all fitness levels. The bike also comes equipped with a responsive LCD display that provides real-time information, including speed, battery life, and distance traveled, keeping riders informed throughout their journey. Braking is smooth and confident thanks to the front and rear disc brakes, ensuring safety in various conditions. The suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, providing a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. However, the bike is slightly heavier than standard models, which might be a consideration for those needing to lift it frequently. Overall, the TST Electric Bike combines power, range, and comfort seamlessly, making it an excellent choice for adults seeking an enjoyable and efficient riding experience. Whether commuting or exploring, this e-bike delivers an impressive blend of performance and convenience, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to enhance their cycling adventures.